Hello, folks. So, I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the questions that I have to answer with Potion. And you can see we're in Notion here. Oh, look, you can see my budget. Don't worry, we're not going to be going there. And this Hawaii trip got canceled, so don't worry about that. But yeah, something I like to do when starting a project is what are like the unanswered questions? Because the unanswered questions are where risk lies. Things that you don't know about, you don't understand, you don't know how they work. And in this context, I'm talking about in a technical standpoint, the risk technically. You can do the same thing with, demand for a market, things like that, which I also did that with Potion as well. Asking those questions and then researching to find answers to them. But here I made a little document with some of my questions about how I'm going to technically build Potion. So I thought we'd just go through some of these. Let's just ignore these ones up here. Those are kind of my original ones, but I've got it down into the biggest problems to tackle and what I want to do first and figure out first, because I think it's really important to figure out some of the big blocks first that you don't know and tackle those first so that you can really move forward and kind of have an understanding of what it's going to take to build an MVP to do this project. So hosting multiple static sites, I don't have any idea how to do that. Handling custom domains, never done that before. Grabbing data from the Notion API, I'm not sure how possible that is or what's possible. And then the last one is, or this one's actually kind of similar to that one. I think these are either or if I can figure out one of these, scraping public Notion data. So these are my big questions for Potion, and so hopefully I can figure those out. But yeah, I think this is a good way to think about things, especially when you're starting a new business idea, a new project. Do a lot of research up front just to get some of the hard things out of the way.